Hello India, welcome to my channel. So this is Onida microwave oven which I have bought as a birthday gift for my mother from Paytm. So she herself will be doing the unboxing right now. Kholo. The model number of this is MO20SMP11B. It's a solo microwave oven. It has also come with this kit here. It's a free kit. The other companies, they usually don't provide this kit. So you have this good quality plastic kit which you can use to cook inside the oven. You can make idlis also. वो इडली के लिए दिखता है वो जो अंदर है ना. Alright. ठीक है, इस टाइप से यहाँ पे फिट हो जाएगा. Alright, let's do the unboxing of the oven itself. So we'll just take it out and show you. So we have taken out the oven from the box there. Let us see what's inside the oven. So it comes with a rotating plate which we need to fix it here inside. Okay, so this is the rotating plate which it came with. We need to fix this plate inside the oven. Okay, so this has been fixed inside, so you can keep whatever you want to cook inside. You can keep it above this plate and cook it. So about the oven itself, it's a solo oven. So these are the controls here. This is the power control which has options from low to high, and this is the timer which has options for the timings and minutes. You can see the build quality here of the oven. So the MRP of this has been mentioned as 7,000 rupees, but on Paytm after the cashback we got it for 4,040 overall. So at this pricing, this 20 liter, the capacity of this is 20 liters. It's a very good buy. My mother, she had requested this oven from quite a long time, and here you have the oven. आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
Thank you, Abhishek.
That is all. आप शर्मा क्यों रहे इतना?
क्योंकि मेरा YouTube चैनल है कुकिंग का, तो मुझे इसकी बहुत ज़रूरत थी.
Okay.
Thank you, Abhishek, for this gift.
You're most welcome, dear mom. Okay, so here we have the unboxing video of this 20 liter microwave oven from Onida, and it has 3 years warranty as well on the magnetron. Alright, I hope this video was helpful to you to make a choice. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.